Welcome to AppExchange Mavericks. I'm Mary Tagler, a Salesforce MVP. I'm here today with Todd Adams of SUMO Scheduler. Todd, can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Sure. My name is Todd Adams. I'm the Vice President over Customer Enablement and Sales for SUMO Scheduler.
Todd, tell us about SUMO Scheduler. Why is its work so important and relevant today?
Sure, I'd love to. So technology is forcing customers to really up their customer engagement game, as well as customer service. I think that's actually a really good thing, right? So individuals, when they engage with a company, are expecting those companies to then interact back with them, right? So for example, in the past, you and I probably have experienced when we've gone into a company's website, we want to get in touch with a representative or our customer service agent, and we find we hit a brick wall. So honestly, many times we'll go and we'll do some digging, we'll find a 1-800 number, really who wants to call and get put into a queue. There are an @info email address, and who does that go to? Or, best case scenario, sometimes there's a form you fill out with the hopes of talking with a rep, right? But who knows where that goes? So it really equates to being put into a customer service timeout. So as a customer, the last thing you feel from that company is that they value you or your business, or they're ever going to touch base with you. So what we see as a trend is smart companies are putting together a whole comprehensive customer engagement strategy. And so what that means is they're offering customers with multiple conduits for which to touch base with them. And that's where SUMO Scheduler steps in. So we have a comprehensive customer engagement platform that includes appointment scheduling, queue management and scheduling, events and class scheduling as well, and really helps those companies to create that strategy through either their existing online technology, or better yet, it can be employed with their individual sales teams, with their customer service teams, and they can use those tools to engage with customers, who in turn feel valued, right? What we find as a result is revenue goes up, customer satisfaction goes through the roof, and it's a really good move for those businesses.
Todd, tell us a little bit about what makes SUMO Scheduler unique.
Sure, I can give you two examples there. The first thing is we have a Salesforce native solution that is 13 years in the making. So we have a very, very mature architecture, a very elegant user interface, and we get fantastic feedback from our customers around stability and usability. The second point I would make is that we're a native OmniHub solution. We're a full customer engagement platform.
Tell us what makes Salesforce and SUMO Scheduler a great match.
Sure. We share a common mission to bring businesses together. So what we do is we enable conversations between businesses and their customers. Second piece I would point to is I'd really say we're actually two sides of the same coin. So Salesforce being the CRM and the primary source of truth for businesses. And then what we do from a SUMO standpoint is enable those businesses to interact with their customers, to engage, to schedule appointments that really lead to growth and revenue.
That's so interesting. So Todd, can you tell us how customers are using SUMO Scheduler?
Sure. Well, our customer engagement platform provides solutions to multiple industries. So sometimes it can be hard to narrow, but I'll give it a try. I'll focus on two. So the first one would be healthcare. In healthcare, our partners are pairing medical providers with their patients. What this does is it leads to an increase in the ability to have more appointments, but also increases patient satisfaction because it provides them with choice and provides them with options. Second, I'd point to education. So in education, SUMO is being used in multiple ways. So it's being used to schedule campus tours, to host students' events, and also to pair students one-on-one with advisors. So what we're hearing in feedback from our school partners is that they're able not only to retain students, but they're also able to leverage these activities to attract new students.
I'm already thinking of potential use cases. Todd, can you tell us what's new with SUMO Scheduler in 2021?
Well, to be frank, a lot. So we're always evolving our customer engagement platform and our OmniHub solution. So we're leaning forward, always adding new features, exciting new products to our portfolio. And better yet, I'd love the opportunity to take you on a test drive through SUMO if you like.
Yeah, I'd love it.
Today, I'm going to use a short story to take us through our demo. So let's go ahead and meet our cast. We have Mary, who will play the role of our marketing coordinator, Candace, who will be our customer, and Steve, the sales consultant. Our story begins with our busy marketing manager pro, Mary. Mary loves Sumo's event and class scheduler, and for her, it's a game changer. The calendar helps her to spend less time scheduling and more time promoting her company's brand. Everything is clearly organized by host, location, and room. She can even color code by events, by type, or highlight them with a click of a mouse. Today, she's built launch events for Advantage's new Solace product line and has added a registration page to the company's website. Now, she wants to extend a personal invite to a key customer, Candace, and so she quickly finds the event and sends her a registration link. Candace receives Mary's invite link and uses it to open a Solace event registration site. It so happens she's been looking at equipment upgrades for her company and is curious about the new line. So Candace decides to book herself, plus a guest. Next, she quickly enters her contact details and completes the process. And seconds later, an email confirmation pops up into her inbox. Candace has just attended an amazing Solace launch event. Great work, Mary. She's excited about what she's seen and asks a staff member if he can connect her with a product consultant. After a brief chat about her business, he feels like he is the perfect rep to pair her with. So he pulls out his tablet and uses Sumo's appointment scheduler to quickly book a meeting between Candace and Steve. Now, if you think this looks easy, well, you're right. Sumo is doing all the heavy lifting, checking for availability and conflicts in the background. This whole process takes seconds, and Candace has already received a confirmation in her inbox. Pretty cool, huh? A few days later, Candace meets with our sales consultant, Steve. He's able to offer the perfect product solution and even presents pricing. Candace is amazed at how easy it's been to work with the Advantage team. Mary has a meeting with her leadership and wants to walk them through the ROI of her latest campaigns. She pulls up the Sumo Dash and is happy to see that a ton of opportunities have been created due to her Solace events, which is no surprise given the attendance was off the charts. In fact, a new opportunity closed just this morning. It looks like our friend Steve got the sale.
Fantastic demo, Todd. Where can we find out more about Sumo Scheduler?
Sure, you can always find us on Salesforce's AppExchange or go directly to our website at sumoscheduler.com and click Talk to an Expert to be connected with a product expert.
Thank you so much for joining us today, Todd, for AppExchange Mavericks. It was really great to learn more about Sumo Scheduler.
Well, thanks for having me, Mary. I really enjoyed it.